Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Slack Enterprise Grid for team security detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Slack Enterprise Grid for team security, begin by logging into your Slack admin account. Navigate to the administration section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Security Settings. Click on Security Settings to access the configuration options available for your organization. Locate the section titled Enterprise Grid. Select this option to begin the activation process for Enterprise Grid. Review the key features of Enterprise Grid, focusing on team security enhancements. Confirm that your organization meets the eligibility requirements for the Enterprise Grid plan. Proceed to click on the Activate button. You will be prompted to complete some essential configuration steps. Enter your organization's primary domain, ensuring it's accurate and up to date. Next, configure the settings for multi-factor authentication. Choose the level of security that best fits your organization's needs. Now, define the authentication methods your team members can use. Consider integrating single sign-on if your organization already uses it. Set user roles and permissions carefully to enhance team security. After configuring the settings, review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Once in agreement, finalize the activation process by clicking Confirm. Slack will process your request and activate the Enterprise Grid features. You may receive a confirmation email once the activation is complete. Return to the Slack admin dashboard to monitor team security settings. Regularly review and update your security configurations as needed. Encourage team members to utilize the new security features effectively. Stay informed about updates and best practices provided by Slack. This will help maintain a secure environment for your organization. With these steps, your Slack Enterprise Grid should be successfully activated for enhanced team security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.